Today we will read another story about the characters Dan and Tab. Tab is Dan's cat. Tab likes to nap. Is Tab a good cat or a bad cat? We will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what these characters do. The Go Fish activity below will help us read some of our new high-frequency words. We will read the question in the box. If the word matches one of the word cards 1 through 6, I will put the word from the box next to it. If the answer is no, I will put the word beside Go Fish. Let's begin. Do you see the word had? Yes. So where should I put it? Correct. Next to number 4. Had. Okay, do you see the word was? Yes, where should I put was? Next to number 6. Very good. Do you see the word Yes, where should I put next to the other Do you see the word first? Yes, where should I put the word first? Correct, next to number 5. Do you see the word he? No, so we're going to put the word he next to Go Fish. Do you see the word I? No, so we're going to put I next to Go Fish. Do you see the word have? Yes, so where should I put have? Next to number 2. Very good. Do you see the word good? Where should I put the word good? Next to number 3. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that you know how to break words into chunks. I will say a word and you will separate the word into 2 chunks, the beginning sound and the rest of the word. Listen as I do the first one. Man. I hear at the beginning of man. The rest of the word is an. Man. An. Okay, let's do some together. The word is tape. Tape. Ape. Tape. The next word is moon. Oon. Moon. The next word is nice. Move my dot. Ice. Nice. The next word is home. Home. The next word is lap. Lap. The next word is pet. Pet. The next word is not. Ought. Not. Next, we're going to read some sentences and practice the habits of good readers. With practice, good readers learn to read at smooth, regular rates. This means that they read the words at about the same speed as when they are talking. This helps both the reader and listeners understand what is happening in a story or other text. I'm going to read some sentences to show you what I mean. Follow along as I read. Tab sat. Tab can see Dan tap. Did it sound like I was reading with a smooth, regular rate? No. Why not? That's right. It was too slow and hard to follow. It didn't sound like I would if I were talking to a friend. Now listen again. Tab sat. Tab can see Dan tap. What did I do differently this time? Yes, I read at a rate that was natural and easy to understand. And I paused when I came to the period at the end of the sentence. Now let's read the last two sentences together. We will start at the same time and try to read at the same rate so that we sound like one voice. Remember to pause when you come to a period. We're going to start on the word tab, and we're going to read to the end of the sentence, the last sentence. Ready? Let's go. Tab had the map. Can Tab tap? Very good. Did everybody pause when you came to the period? Now we are ready to read about Dan and Tab in a story called Map Nap.